This is a four-man production. Oh well, with a message to the nation. Whoa, only Jah know how the story goes. Never assume what they say is true. Oh well, only Jah know how the real story goes. Never assume what they say is true. Hey, hey. In this age of misinformation, everything requires keen observation. And you make sure you do your reflection before you make a conscious decision. Don't you believe, or you'll be deceived. Don't you know that wicked Babylon always got a trick up your sleeve? Only Jah know how the story goes. Don't you assume what they say is true. Hey, hey. Only Jah knows how the real story goes. Don't you assume what they say is true. Hey, hey, whoa. Tell it like way. Tell it, yeah. You gotta be careful. You gotta be smart. Hey, hey, hey. There's always three sides to the story, yours and mine and the truth. And if your heart is pure, you're surely gonna bring good fruit. Well, don't be quick to trust, 'cause people are so dangerous. In your words and your deeds, you better be conscious. Hey, 'cause only Jah know how the story goes. Never assume what they say is true. Yeah, yeah. Only Jah know how the story goes. Never assume what they say is true, 'cause they will lie to you. Whoa, they will lie to you. Yeah, yeah. In this age of misinformation, everything needs keen observation. And before you make a conscious decision, make sure you do deep, deep reflection. Don't be quick to believe, or you'll be deceived. Remember, say, wicked dirty Babylon always got a